What are you waiting for? Do it!
When game devs keep naming games with shadow of, they can't keep getting away with it. Teacher, you got an F for history. Me, that's impossible. I have first-hand experience. My first-hand experience. What gives people feelings of power, money, status, chilling a mosquito by grabbing it out of thin air? Me and the boys after the teacher uses our work as the example for all the other classes. We are intellectually superior in every way. When you finally find somewhere to rent that's within your budget. When you hate to be the first one in a relationship to say I love you but the Whopper with extra pickles you order just isn't much of a talker. A Netflix original series, sold. One anime a day keeps the real girls away. Modern Reese's recipe. 90s Reese's recipe. Sailor 1, what would we do with a drunken sailor? Sailor 2, put him in the bed with the captain's daughter. The captain, you did what? You know when the burger will be way too expensive. She before shower, shower before she. Mom, did you actually expect me to buy you a new console because you stared at it for 2 hours? Preteen MS, kinda. Girls after spending $2,000 on clothes, this is fine. Guys after spending $5 on a t-shirt, I'm never going to financially recover from this. Rare footage of a man who studied the wrong chapter for the test. Me, Mom please help me finish this school project. Mom, just give me 10 minutes I'm cooking here can't you see? Me, well pause it. Mom, you dare use my own spells against me Potter. When your gaming PC is so fast you can't even enjoy the loading screen music. DJ Khaled suffering from success. Hollywood CGI animators working 18-hour days 7 days a week so Vin Diesel can look cool jumping his car over an active volcano. All other superheroes when one of them is saving the entire world during a movie. Management. Decent worker. The ones that know their stuff. People who pre-order games, I effing love science. People who wait 10 years to get it for free. My hair after an hour of professional styling. My hair after getting blown by the wind for 5 minutes. Me and my mate after our plan of becoming YouTubers and living in the same house didn't succeed. If I just keep working really hard, never ask for a raise, come in early and never call in sick, my work will surely appreciate it and reward me. Teens in the 60s. Seniors now. Teens now. Seniors in 2080. Do you ever listen to a song from your childhood and it unlocks so many memories and you break down crying and realize you can't get back those good times when you didn't have to worry about anything? Yeah, I'm having that effing moment right now. 8-year-old me getting a good whiff of that gas station gasoline. Me trying to sleep and not get caught in class. Anxiety causing symptoms of physical illness. Physical illness causing symptoms of anxiety. 2 + 2 = 4. Blink. When you use a phrase in a college paper without citing it because it was common knowledge, text scanning software, it's plagiarism then. It's important for our future children after all. They're flirting, and it's right in front of everyone. Lesbians are the biggest hypocrites ever. They do not F men and yet they use a fake D-do, clearly a male tool substitute, to themselves. Someone got rejected by a lesbian. Do what you love and money will follow. Ate pizza, drank wine, took a 5-hour nap in my underwear and took selfies with my dog. Now I wait. What I imagine when I close my eyes in the shower. Me, my f***ing, you didn't have to cut me off. Laziness, random motivation at 2 in the morning, more laziness. Me spamming buttons because I don't know the controls in Smash Bros, random bullshit. If your parent approve of your marriage but your grandparents and uncles didn't, would you still get married? Might as well ask the postman too if I'm taking everyone's opinion. My favorite bands. I just find music I like and put it into a giant playlist. I work at a credit card company. Someone replied to our offer by taping the no postage necessary flyer to a box full of their trash and a small boulder. How could I date someone when I'm in this financial situation? I would just be giving my partner a burden to carry that isn't theirs. 2 days ago, I take my clothes out of the dryer. My clothes still after 2 days. You afraid to get wet? The first time you figure out what your D can do. The power of the sun in the palm of my hand. All other organs, working their ass off to keep me alive. Brain. How about you chill yourself? All other organs. Pardon me, what the F? When you're driving your friend who's also a cop. When your homie keeps farting and pretending they didn't. Trade offer. I receive. Nothing, haha, don't worry about it. You receive a big wooden horse. When Van Liesel does intermittent fasting, he also does intermittent furiousing. How to socialize with people. Talk. My right shift key. My left shift key. Japan, 8/11/16. 15/11/16. Russia, 1991, 2016. It is not an entry-level job if you require 5 years of experience. Employers. Telling a pop fan that you like Imagine Dragons. Telling a metal fan that you like Imagine Dragons. Women. Did you really think just awkwardly staring at me from across the bar for 2 hours was gonna make me say hello to you? Socially awkward MS. Kinda. Heaviest objects in the universe. Our sun, neutron stars, black holes, me, big fatty. Private jet sales likely to reach highest ever level this year, report says. Global fleet has more than doubled in 2 decades, with more private flights made last year than ever before. Sorry for all that emission from our luxury jets. Don't forget that climate change is your fault. At least plastic straws are banned. When you skip the game tutorial. Today's generation having basically no childhood. GTA 6. Is it 5 PM? Oh wow, time for breakfast, lunch, dinner, I'm starving. I don't know who this anime girl is, and at this point I'm too afraid to ask. Wearing sunglasses to protect your eyes. Wearing sunglasses to avoid eye contact with people. I'm at the age where I won't make eye contact with someone because they look like a talker. 17-year-olds as a kid. 17-year-olds as an adult. When you only receive messages because someone wants something, it's the trick. Send no reply. College educated worker still not able to afford anything. Practice only worker who is always better at the same job and has his own house and family. How introverts make friends. They don't. An extrovert found them, liked them, and adopted them. Special guest in our Zoom faculty chat. This is surreal. If Matthew McConaughey looks like this in a Zoom call, imagine what we look like. Me as an adult watching anime and reading manga about teenagers having happy, healthy relationships in high school. What's wrong with texting first and replying to a text immediately? What's wrong with calling and telling them you miss them? What's wrong with showing you care? Be real and put your pride aside, and if they can't match your energy, do yourself a favor and leave. No one wants to work anymore because there is no reward. Half of us are living paycheck to paycheck. No saving for retirement. No saving for a house. Straight up 2 paychecks away from living on the street. When you fight through all the tech support and have to face the final boss. Good news, Bobby. According to these test results, you're gifted. Wow, how gifted. You're in this blue region here. Keen lifelong awareness of own deficiencies. You didn't set your alarm. Oh yes I did. Checked 5 times. Middle-aged man. Reads 300 pages of terms and conditions. Clicks disagree. Average drunk person. Drunk programmer. Me seeing Americans laying on their beds with their shoes on. Chips at the top of the bag. Chips at the bottom of the bag. Sorry, you are overqualified. LOL equals laughing out loud. LOL equals head. Context. My friend, today is the first day of my new job. I'm motivated to work. Me. Very good. Good luck to you. Do your best. The actual conversation. Listening to Linkin Park as a kid. Listening to Linkin Park as an adult. Uber driver. Fun night. Me.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.